which allows you to raise your companion from the dead, even if you are otherwise unable to master
This is
perform
a very
rituals.
interesting reality TV. Just,
Laura,
Hello,
people
everything.
don't want to be on Facebook or on YouTube. Shut that off.
I make it more real and just attack me.
We're not your TV show.
Hi, Billy.
hi.
Look, you even get a companions and familiars part right here.
Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
Stores. Bear. Brown bears and similar creatures fall in this category. Bears are tougher and deadlier than other beasts.
And now we go upstairs and we surprise Kobe. Okay, we're in the living room area here, the front room. Now we're going up the stairs. And look who's here. Hi.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's Kobe. Okay, you want to do Mama now? Okay, get back a little bit. Stay here, so get see you real good. Okay, let's go this way. No, Stem, you go down. I go up.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see you much better now. Not so dark. Great. Okay, now you hold on to the camera. Okay, now turn around.
I know, you're fired. I hate you.
Okay, see Mama?
Yes.
Hi. You have a nice and clear
Yes.
and bright? All right. Here I am. And it's Aaron's birthday party here. She'll be 19 on the 21st of December 2009. We'll leave Dad alone because he's sick, okay? Yeah, he comes. Won't put it on camera because he's not feeling well. Get well soon, Randy. I'll say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.